In tonight's Fact or Fiction, we're looking into an online post that's just blowing people's minds. It's a tweet that says, "How old were you when you found out that Winnie the Pooh is a girl?" This caught a lot of people by surprise since Pooh has always been assumed to be a boy, but don't be surprised because this is fiction. However, there is a nugget of truth in this. A 2015 book revealed that the real-life inspiration for Winnie the Pooh was a female bear who lived in the London Zoo. But there's no doubt that the character in the book was a boy. Author A.A. Milne referred to Pooh as he throughout the stories, and the first book even introduced the character as Edward Bear before noting that his friends called him Winnie the Pooh.